Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient. Take a ride in the 2019 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.